Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream without a Ziploc bag. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, sugar, and your favorite flavorings like vanilla extract. You'll also need a large bowl, a smaller bowl that fits inside, ice, and rock salt. This method uses the principle of a salt ice bath to rapidly chill your mixture, creating a creamy texture without specialized equipment. It's a fun and easy way to enjoy homemade treats. To set up your ice bath, take your large bowl and fill it about 2/3 full with ice. Next, sprinkle approximately 1/3 cup of rock salt over the ice. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making it much colder than 0 degrees Celsius. Stir this mixture well to ensure the salt is evenly distributed. This super cold environment is key to quickly freezing your ice cream base. Now, let's prepare your ice cream base. In the smaller bowl, combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also add other flavorings like cocoa powder or fruit purees. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar is dissolved and everything is well combined. This simple base is the foundation for your delicious homemade ice cream. With your smaller bowl nestled in the ice bath, begin stirring your ice cream mixture continuously. Use a spoon or whisk and scrape down the sides as it freezes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll notice the mixture thickening to a soft serve consistency. For firmer ice cream, transfer it to a freezer-safe container and freeze for an additional 1 to 2 hours. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.